and gentlemen, we are going to be playing around with this wood chipper today. I have a 12-foot long tree that we're going to put in it, and this one is 11.5 with the thickness being 4 inches at the base. So I cut those down yesterday, and we're going to put it in the wood chipper. But before we do it put it in the wood chipper, we got to put on our personal protective equipment. These are the gloves I use. They are really nice. They're M-packed. They are from Mechanics Wear. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can pick up your own. These are some of the best gloves that I have ever used, and they are good and sturdy, and I have no ribs, and I swear I would have ripped them by now, but they are solid. They are wonderful for wood chipping. Make sure you have long sleeve shirts on, because if you don't, you will get scratches, which I learned the hard way. So we have some nice goggles that I'm going to be putting on, because I want to protect my beautiful eyes, and then these 3M ear protection. So I got it on right now. So let's start up the wood chipper. And if you guys have seen from my previous videos, it's pretty easy to start this wood chipper. This is the electronic version, or you can do the pull start. So you gotta open the clutch or close the clutch. I think it's open, but it's make sure it can have some gas. That's what that one is. Make sure it's on the lowest, and then turn the key. I already checked before that we have gas, and we do have oil in the engine, so we are good there. So let's start it up and see how it handles a 12-foot tree. Gotta make sure the emergency stop is not on. We are on full throttle. It's a 12-footer. Alright, so it was an 11-foot tree and a 12-foot tree. with 3.5 width of the base. That's turn off that. Put it away. If you guys enjoyed this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button. Come hang out with me live when you get a chance. Make sure to share this video with anybody that's thinking of getting a wood chipper. That's how much wood I have around here that I need to take care of. And